You are welcome. How to make perches for your poultry. Poultry farming is easy and simple if you have the right knowledge and the right commitment. Naturally, birds or hens or poultry like roosting on perches. If perches are not made for the birds or the poultry or the hens, they would roost on the waterers and the feeders, and this would make their poop enter into their feeds and their drinks. If their feces enter the water and the feed after they have roosted on them, it may make your work difficult by cleaning them every day. If you don't clean them every day too, it would make them sick. Another reason for making perches for your birds or for your poultry is that it prevents cannibalism. If the birds or the stronger birds are pecking on the weaker ones, they can quickly run to the perches. When your poultry roosts on perches, it helps to gather their feces together. While roosting on it, they bring out their feces and it gathers at one place. It does not spread in the coop or in the structure. Always, it makes the sawdust clean. Your birds get fresh air while roosting on the perches. It also helps strengthen their bones. It is not trying to have perches, but it is advisable to have one in your coop or in your structure. Anybody can start poultry farming, but make sure you are prepared financially. Though poultry farming is capital intensive, but nothing stops you from starting small. Start small and increase it gradually. In everything, try simplicity first. The profit returning of starting poultry farming is very huge, but its risk of losing everything too is very huge. So in everything, start small, be cautious, and be vigilant.
Take 30 minutes here.
Yankoto yankofa soda se no na ho no se de ho ya bonten sa no
se ya banya idea ya bone ha na ebisu ayi ya bebugu ha na so ya ano o ma ni nya idea
ebe mana ba se se de omunya tembe o mani beka ya ha no ben fie
ai bebo bia
yankoto yankofa soda se no na ho no se de ho ya bonten sa no
se ya banya idea ai bebo bia
yankoto yankofa soda se no na ho no se de ho ya bonten sa no
se ya banya idea ya bone ha
Welcome. Bienvenidos. Juahin. Bienvenue. Ahlan bika. Bakadazua. Akwaba. Thank you for watching Safubafu TV. Hope to see you. Bye bye.